If is that correct? Some of your family's here.
Yeah.
So
my mom.
okay, so I believe if he's continued, maybe he'll stay at his mom's house. And
Well,
maybe
does his mom want him at her home?
I hope so. You know, I don't know.
I don't know,
I think she's still mad, but I hope so.
Is his mom here?
They might have escorted her to the hall. They might have.
All right. Can somebody check to see if his mom is in the hall? Thank you.
Today's courtroom hearing may start quietly, but the consequences are anything but small. A 21-year-old defendant stands before the judge on a felony theft case, facing a probation violation that could instantly turn into jail time. One wrong move, one wrong answer, and deferred adjudication disappears. Stay with this case because the decision made today isn't just about punishment. It's about whether the court believes this defendant deserves one more chance.
I think I gave that back to you all.
Your Honor, this is Fred Griffith.
Thank you. Court is calling 2025 CR 003228, State versus Edgar Perez. Can I have parties announce?
Agent Pettis for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Perez?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Good morning. How you doing?
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm all right so far.
All right.
Yeah, looking forward for today, man. I just woke up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. I understood everything.
Are you the same Edgar Perez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 003228 for the offense of theft of property 2,500 to 30,000 on April 25th, 2025 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
On or about the 22nd day of May 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Edgar Elliot Perez committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still
What
wish
you
to
just
plead true?
watched sets the legal foundation for everything that follows. The defendant confirms his identity, acknowledges the motion to revoke, and pleads true to violating probation. That's not a small admission. The judge clearly explains the consequences: up to 2 years in a state jail facility and a $10,000 fine. This moment matters because the court ensures the defendant fully understands what he's risking. Once that plea is entered knowingly, the judge has broad authority moving forward.
$1,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, deny the motion, then petition ISD, follow TAP recommendations.
Is that what you're asking the court to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir, if you can raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am. I swear.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Edgar Perez.
All right, why are you not doing well on probation? What's going on?
No, I just been having some family problems. You know, I don't like to make excuses, you know, but, you know, I've been having some family problems, you know, but,
Well, what's the problem? Because they're saying you're doing, you're committing a new offense.
Yeah, you know, it's just because I've been in the street, man, you know, homeless, and I know, you know, it's my responsibility to do this probation, but I want, you know, I'm ready to get it done, man. You know, I've been in jail for a long time.
Why are you homeless? What's going on? I know you're homeless because you don't have a home, but
Yeah.
do you not have any family?
Oh yeah, I have family. You know, like I said, I have some problem with them, but I don't know, man. It's just you know, I don't want to make excuses. You know, I fucked up. I messed up, and I want to get this
This
probation
segment
over with.
shifts the hearing from legal procedure to personal accountability. The defendant explains that homelessness and family issues contributed to his violations, but he also admits responsibility, saying plainly, "I messed up." Judges hear these explanations every day, and the key question is credibility. Is this a genuine turning point, or a last-minute plea driven by fear of incarceration? What do you think? Should personal hardship weigh more heavily when probation is on the line?
Probation over with. I don't know if you could give me another chance.
All right, so here are your choices.
If I may, Judge,
Well, just one second. Have you ever been diagnosed with any type of mental health issue or no?
No, ma'am.
All right, yes, you wanted to say something, counsel?
Judge, the long and short of it is he was homeless at the time. He tells me that he has a place to go to now, and I haven't seen for sure, but I believe some of his family is here.
On deferred adjudication, that's not a conviction. So if anybody asks you if you've ever been convicted of, this crime, you can honestly say no, because it's not a conviction, it's deferred. If you receive a conviction, then this is conviction of theft. Whether it's a conviction or not, it's still a crime of moral turpitude, which takes you into collateral issues such as it's going to be hard for you to obtain any type of licensing for anything that requires a license. Now, what I can do is I can continue you, or I will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail.
Which I believe, is that correct? Some of your family's here?
Yeah.
So
my mom.
Okay, so I believe if he's continued, maybe he'll stay at his mom's house. And
Well,
maybe-
does his mom want him at her home?
I hope so. I don't know.
I don't know.
I think she's still mad, but I hope so.
Is his mom here?
Here, the judge delivers one of the most important legal explanations in the hearing. Deferred adjudication is not a conviction, but it's not a free pass either. Theft is considered a crime of moral turpitude, which can block professional licenses, job opportunities, and future advancement. This is the court making sure the defendant understands that even without a conviction today, the consequences of this case can follow him for years.
They might have escorted her to the hall. They might have.
All right. Can somebody check to see if his mom is in the hall? Thank you.
State going like that language.
All right.
Of course, we have no problems with that if he's continued.
Okay.
This is the crossroads moment. The judge lays out two clear paths: incarceration or structured rehabilitation. Choosing a TAP evaluation, mental health assessment, drug court referral, community service, and education requirements is not leniency, it's accountability with supervision. The court is offering structure instead of a cell, but the expectations are strict. From this point forward, compliance isn't optional. It's the difference between freedom and jail.
Yeah, man. Can I talk real quick?
Sure.
Yeah, I just want another chance. Last time I was here, I ended up doing 3 months. I did 3 months in county. I'm ready to get the probation over with. I don't want to spend my life in jail.
Well, the best way not to spend your life in jail is to abide by the rules and conditions.
Yeah. Do things right. I just want
All right. So your mom is not here.
Yeah, my mom's not here.
So I'm going to give you some choices today because how old are you?
21.
All right. You know yourself better than I know you.
Yeah.
Better than your attorney knows you, better than probation knows you. All right. You're on
In the
deferred
end,
adjudication.
the court denies revocation and continues probation under significantly tougher conditions. The defendant avoids a conviction in jail for now, but every requirement moving forward will be closely monitored. This case shows how judges balance accountability, public safety, and rehabilitation, especially for young defendants at a critical point in their lives. If you found this courtroom breakdown insightful, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom cases and legal analysis.
Facility give you credit for whatever time that you previously served. So you say you've been in custody for 3 months before, that would go towards your 18-month sentence. Or what I can do is I can continue. I'll deny the motion, alter and amend the conditions to include a TAP evaluation in custody. And that TAP evaluation is see if you have any drug or alcohol issues. And I think we're going to have to do a MIC evaluation in custody as well. So which do you prefer?
I would like, the TAP evaluation. like I said, I don't like jail, like everybody else,
I don't think anybody likes jail.
yeah, nobody likes jail, I want to be outside, doing my thing, getting money, all that,
Getting money how?
working,
Okay.
working, legally.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
So I want to do a TAP evaluation and MIC evaluation. That's to be completed in custody. And have you been using any type of drugs in the past?
No, man.
So why did you become homeless, or how far did you go in school?
Well, I ended up dropping out my junior year, but I just had, I'm gonna be honest with you, I just smoke a little marijuana, but I don't have drug problem, man.
All right, do a referral to felony drug court in custody. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. You're going to either obtain your GED or get some type of trade school certificate. And once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Do you have any children?
No, man.
Right. There's going to be proof of employment within 45 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, man.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.